KFW Fox 4. This is a Fox 4 Warn Weather Alert.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dan Henry here in the 4-1 Weather Center. I'll step out of the way. This video shared with us about an hour ago from Linda Peebles in Sanger. Some wind-swept rain and hail that coated the ground there a little earlier this afternoon. And with temperatures so warm, that hail, as it was what we call sublimating on the actual warm surface, created some foggy conditions as well. Just kind of a prelude of what is yet to come. Let's go to our weather computer here. We've got the tornado watch in effect until 10 o'clock tonight and covers just about the entire area, save for Jack County and Montague County and Young County. You folks are under severe thunderstorm watches, but this watch again goes until 10 o'clock tonight. I want to show you this first before we get over to Allie, who's at the radar controls. This is our so-called squall line that is going to be coming through the entire area late this afternoon through this evening. Now, you notice it is not a perfect line here, and there is rotation embedded within this line of severe thunderstorms here, but we've got warnings out. This is the most intense part of it right now. In fact, just had a tornado warning issued. So without further ado, Allie, if you'll go ahead and zoom into that part of the storm, our first tornado warning of the day. It's out in Breckenridge, the Breckenridge area near Stevens County, and it's the leading edge of this Boeing line of storms here. This rotation getting more organized with time and could be indicative of a tornado. And Allie, if your mic is hot,
yes,
you're right there at the chat session. Why don't you go ahead and read what the National Weather Service put out on that warning?
Thanks, Dan. This tornado warning has been issued for Stevens County until 4:30 this afternoon. This is radar indicated rotation at this point. Both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Lake Daniel or near Breckenridge. This is moving about northeast, but at 60 miles per hour. So this is quickly going to make its way through Stevens County and head into Palo Pinto County, likely going to see a new warning also as this continues to head east and northeast. And even looking at the rotation, you can see some of that spin in the atmosphere. So there's a fair amount of broad rotation within this entire line.
Yeah, and if it continues to head off to the east-northeast, we're going to give you a heads up here around Possum Kingdom Lake, the PK Lake area here. That storm is going to pose a distinct threat of very high winds. We're talking wind gusts of 70 miles an hour or greater, and a potential tornado as well, because there is rotation embedded within this line of storms. This is the line that is just now beginning to get organized, that is going to sweep through all of North Texas later this afternoon and this evening. In fact, let's go back briefly here. I want to go back to my weather computers, Weather Source 1, and show you the timeline here. Moderate risk of severe weather across much of North Texas for the remainder of this afternoon and this evening. That's a 4 on the 1 to 5 scale. So the last time we saw a moderate risk here in the Metroplex was back in April of 2020. Two primary threats tonight will be damaging winds and large hail. Now, most of the hail we see will be golf ball size or smaller. However, in a couple of the more intense storms, we could see up to baseball-sized hail. Wind gusts, I think, easily in excess of 60 up to 75 miles an hour, which is the equivalent of an EF0 tornado, and also a few tornadoes given the strength and the turning of those low-level winds. Now, this is the timing again for this squall line now through 7 o'clock for our western counties. We've pushed this back an hour because it's taken an additional hour or so for this line to get organized and developed. 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. for our metro counties here, including the I-35 corridor. So that really hasn't changed. I have extended it an hour for our far eastern counties. I think it's going to take until 11 o'clock for that line to finally clear areas well to our east. Let's go back to the radar now. Well, we've got some more storms. Allie's done a storm track here. These are the estimated times of arrival for the leading edge of this portion of the storm. Brad 424. 4, Metcalf Gap at 428, Mineral Wells at 447, and Poolville at just after 5 o'clock. Now, that's based on steady state movement. These things don't always do that. They can change direction. They can slow down. They can speed up. So don't etch that in stone. We'll continue to monitor this as we head through the rest of this afternoon. But again, that's a tornado warning. It's not a confirmed tornado, but strengthening rotation. We could be looking at a developing tornado in that portion of the line. This is our strongest storm now in North Texas, and it has covered the ground with hail in some parts of the Sherman area. Notice that little black dot there here embedded within the hail core. That is likely at least golf ball sized hail coming out of that storm there, and it is going to be moving more eastward, so it's going to track hail across northern Fannin County here, more than likely just north of Highway 82, just north of Bonham and Honeygrove. There could be damaging hail from this severe thunderstorm as it is kind of turning more right now. And we call this particular supercell a right mover because it's kind of moving right of the actual steering winds in the atmosphere itself. But the biggest threat with that is that large damaging hail. Let's slide down to the south. Things are all quiet for the moment here across much of the rest of the area. Yeah, we've got these scattered thunderstorms, but they continue to behave themselves here east of the Metroplex. So that's good news, at least for the very early part of our drive home here. And I would encourage you to get home, to leave the office and get home as quickly as possible, because that is what's going to be coming our way as we head into early this evening. And that is going to be a very potent line of severe thunderstorm activity. There's our tornado warning again. This includes kind of central Stevens County. Looks like Breckenridge is in that tornado polygon, and that goes eastward here, and they've kind of refined that even a little bit more, it looks like there. But the Highway 180 here in Stevens County is in that threat zone for a potential tornado. The National Weather Service continuing to monitor this storm very, very closely. Allie has drawn yet another estimated arrival time here, and that's got Caddo on it at 4:19, Brad at 4:31, and Mineral Wells at 5:02. So if you folks living especially west of Mineral Wells, up towards the PK Lake area here, this storm is coming right for you. It's going to produce wind gusts over 70 miles an hour in all likelihood, and it could also spawn a tornado as it moves off to the east-northeast. Allie, what's the movement on that one again? It was moving at
so we've
did
actually,
you say 60 miles an hour?
And they just came out now with more of a 45 mile an hour movement speed. And recently 54 mile per hour gust actually measured in Breckenridge with the line. That area of circulation is now just southeast of the center of Breckenridge. So that's the specific area in the polygon where we still have at least radar indicated rotation.
Yeah, let's go up real quickly here. We've got another minute or so. We can show folks that this line extends up into Young County here. These are sub-severe storms around the Graham area and Olney, but they are additional severe storms on the southern end of this line that extends down to the south into Coleman County, and on the east side of the San Angelo area. So this entire line is what's going to be coming our way for the rest of this afternoon and this evening. Keep in mind, we've got that tornado watch going until 10 o'clock tonight. Damaging winds could be in excess of 70 miles an hour with this line of storms, large hail, and it could spin up some tornadoes. Stay with Fox. We'll have another update coming up here, and of course, Fox 4 News at 5 o'clock.
This has been a Fox 4 Warn Weather Alert.